Hi viewers, this is my YouTube channel Ahmad Tech. Guys, here in this video we will talk about the blogging and Google AdSense. So you can see here it is the icon of the and we will see how to earn money from blogging in Pakistan. So we should start it. Before we start, I will made a request to all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So we should start. We are all familiar with blogging and Google AdSense. It is another great way to generate profit. To understand what is blogging, you can read out best business ideas in Pakistan. One of the best online earning sites in Pakistan to share or publish your content with there is WordPress. It is a free and open source platform written in PHP and paired with MySQLs and MariaDB database. And after it, if you love to play with words and you are a wordsmith, the WordPress is best option for you to convert your creativity into business. In simple words, it is place where you can write blogs and publish as well as you can design websites and start earning via them. Now question is how to get started on it right. If we see, it is so simple. You just have to sign in on the website and choose layout or theme. It means you just have to create your account. For creating account you have to sign up, write down the content, and boom, spread it around the world. It has the both free and premium account options. You can use it in premium and it in freely options with different available plans. Some useful ways your website can earn money by publishing blogs are given below. It means by using these categories you can also earn a lot and it can be the source of earning for you. The first one if we discuss is sponsored social media posts. Means if you are famous on the social media and your posts get more views, then there can be sponsorship between you and the company that will provide you money that for their product advertisement. If you do the advertisement of their products on your social media websites, so it will be sponsorship. And another is use affiliate marketing. It means you just have to give the link of the companies on your social media and other sites that you are on famous, so it is in affiliate marketing. Write guest blog posts. By using this you can earn money. Market digital products on your blogs. Add banner adverts to your website or blog. When your blog gets maximum traffic, apply for a Google AdSense account. It allows your reader to see ads on your website or blog. In return, you will get paid. So, friends, this was all, and thanks to all of you for watching my video till end.